Let's see. Oh. Let's see if this will work. All right. So I feel like we have to hold on. Right, so we're in here. This works. Cool. What does this mean? Guys, can we test something? So I'm trying out a new service for live streaming. If anybody is already here, and this should theoretically allow me to stream to Twitch. Yes, to Twitch. That seems to be working, and YouTube at the same time. So, can we test that? Can you send some messages in the chat right now for me to see if I'll get those chat messages from you guys, and if I have set everything up properly. If you guys can hear me, then let me know. That would be very cool. Also, right, this goes to my dashboard. Right. Yes, this is the first time I'm doing this. Might be kind of interesting to be able to get on Twitch as well. So yeah, let me know how this works, if this is cool. Let me see. Yep, this should be fine. What is this? I haven't used this ever before, so. Oh, they have a chat here as well. Cool. So I don't know what's. Wait, but that's not the same one. I'm a bit confused with this still. So yeah, let's see. What do you guys like more, Twitch or YouTube for live streams? Let me know what you think, if this makes sense. And yeah, I'm looking forward to doing both of these things. So far, it doesn't look like anyone's sent any messages yet. Can we get something in the chat, guys? How can I set a thumbnail for this? That's what I'm wondering. Because like on YouTube, stream doesn't seem to have a thumbnail. Yeah, exactly. So, does this work? Let's see. If I save this, and hopefully I should be able to have a thumbnail for the stream. That would be really cool. Everything else seems to be going smoothly, so that's good. Oh. So, how are you guys doing? Cool. Let's have a look. Right. So I can delete this one. Yep. This is just a stream announcement. There we go. Now we should have a nice thumbnail for the stream. How does that look? That looks good. Right. Let's see if there's going to be more people joining the stream. Haha. Ooh. So, yeah. Probably shouldn't be showing this. Cool. Cool. Start off over here. That's always a good background to start on. Cool. Oh shit. So, this is actually a bit of a tricky thingy. So apparently this Discord, okay, so this one didn't work, but I also set up like a Discord auto messaging thingy, but it doesn't actually link to the stream, which is a bit of a problem. So we're just going to kick you. Sorry guys, this is not the most interesting content yet, but we're getting there. So we're here on Twitch, and we are also on YouTube. Yeah, so if we go to my channel, if we go here, this should show up. Let me quickly have a look at the sound. So if we go to my channel, the volume seems to be very quiet. Yeah, this should show up. This is strange because well, my microphone just seems very quiet. Oh boy, when can we start the stream? When can we start that stream though? Let me have a look here. Audacity. Because my microphone should be at full volume, which is odd. So let's test this. Hello. Wow, this is actually pretty wild and good volume. Hello. Yeah, this is definitely not a problem of the microphone. Well, then it can only be OBS. Oh shit. Oh shit. Yo, what happened? Oh shit. Jesus. Yo, what happened? Sorry for breaking everyone's like ears if you had a headphones in. That was a bit loud. But it should work now. That's pretty cool. So I'm hoping that's a thing. Let's get some nice music going. Yeah. Wait. No, I wanna. There we go. No, I'm just gonna put on some Creative Commons playlist. Wait, maybe this is cooler, I don't know. It's not my usual kind of music that I listen to though, but let's see, maybe there's some cool stuff in there. And then we can have some fun. So you guys should be seeing, yeah, you can see the chat. Interestingly enough. You guys should be seeing, yeah, you can see. So I don't know if I really need that in there. That's a stupid. It's a stupid thing. let me get rid of the chat. It's probably not needed. I'm still figuring all of this out, so hopefully you guys will bear with me and we can figure out streaming together, because it's something I want to do a bit more, hopefully, if you guys enjoy it. It's pretty chill. This is chill music. I'm enjoying this. Let's see if we can get some more people in the stream here. Yeah, ba 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 ba. I've actually don't have much of a clue what the stream is supposed to be about yet. Like, so if there's anything you guys want to see, if there's anything you guys want me to talk about, do let me know in the chat, and then we can like. Yeah, and then we can have a chat and hopefully make some cool stuff. Should be fun. There was it. Ooh. Dude, I'm actually loving this. Loving this music. Them tunes are quite sick. Dude, I swear. What is going on? I'm looking for like places where oh god, I don't like these pictures. Go away. Go away. Alright. I know, I'm probably missing like a server or so, but there was somewhere I... Oh, the chat seems to work. Yensha says hi. Yeah. Oh yes. Here you go. So it seems to work. We got a chat. Hi Jens. What's up, my dude? What's up, Yensha, my boy? How are you doing? How are you handling the corona situation? Oh shit, I can't say that. The name of that. But like, how are you handling the quarantine? Yeah. Stream should be relatively low latency, right? Stream should be relatively low latency, right? It looks fine, at least on YouTube. Whoa. You can hear myself. It's fine, at least on YouTube. Yeah. Yo, 7IO, what's up, my dude? How are you doing? Wait, why is this countdown is weird? It's broken. I mean, it should be going. I don't know. No, I didn't get my Valorant key yet, my dude. I haven't been watching it a lot, to be fair. Like, I'm pretty sure I could have one by now if I watched it more. But I haven't. Like, one of my friends got it. And he's playing it right now. Everyone's playing it. I don't know. I'll probably try leaving this like Twitch running again through the night or something and see if I can get one. But on the other hand, I'm also quite busy with the game. So I'm not actually like I wouldn't have a huge amount of time to actually play Valorant at the moment. But it would be cool if we could play it together at some point. Let me actually do this while we're still chatting. And then as soon as we start the stream, I'll make it smaller, my picture. This looks pretty good, I think. Yeah. I'm doing pretty good. 7IO. I know your actual name, but I don't know if I can if you want me to say it in the chat, but or like in general, but no, I'm doing pretty good. Like, we're making a lot of progress with the game. It's coming along quite well, so I'm really happy with how everything is developing so far. I can't wait to start showing you guys some of the stuff we're making. Yeah, it's interesting. What are you doing recently? Like, are you still doing 3D modeling stuff, Leonel? Oh, now I said it. Oops. I'm sorry. Sorry, dude. 7IO, are you still doing 3D modeling work and so on? Let me know. For those of you that don't know, I can actually show you. Some of these assets in The Long Way Home were made by our boy over here, 7IO, whose real name I shall not say. Like, for example, these awesome low poly car models, which are truly amazing. I mean, yeah, they're really cool. Like, we have interiors and everything. We can give them different colors and so on. This one is amazing. This one's gonna be one of the more like hero prop cars in the game. So you'll probably be sitting somewhere like this, which is really nice. And yeah, there's another one. This one looks really stylish as well. Really having a lot of fun with that. And then he also made the super amazing train, which I can show you right here. Yeah, so I think the blueprint version is a bit broken at the moment. Oh, you're doing music production now. That's really cool. What kind of music are you making? The cars, yeah, the cars, dude. Really, I mean, they're still in the game. They're gonna be in the game. So, as well as this amazing train, which I'm still so, like, it looks so good. Hold on, let me try and get the whole. I don't know what I somehow screwed up with this blueprint here, but Well, technically you should be able to see an entire train and it should work. But apparently that's not a thing right now, so I'll just have to open it like this. It's been very long. Here you go, you can see the rest of the train. It's not aligned at the moment, but this is amazing. Like, the interior of this, look at that, guys. It's so detailed. You could walk around in this and it would be perfect. Like, you're probably not going to, but yeah, you could. If we wanted you to, you could, which is actually really cool. Yo, Nick, I can see this. Amazing, the chat works and it's showing me both the YouTube chat and the Twitch chat at the same time, which is really awesome. So, to everyone who's watching from YouTube, and Twitch, whatever, it doesn't matter. Hi to you guys. Thanks for tuning in. Yeah. No, I'm doing great. Having a lot of fun. This quarantine is really helping me to get a lot more stuff done than usually. Also helps that university's now over for me, or like that my current project at university's done. So yeah, that helps and gives me a lot more free time to work on the game now. So I will be working on the longer home full time for the next 3 weeks hopefully, which should allow me to make a lot of progress with it. We'll see how it goes. Let's hope for the best. Let's see what we're gonna get from it, you know? Yeah, let's see. So this is for art streams. I don't know, mate. I mean, yeah, he's put. Okay. I don't care anymore. All right. Let's see. Mostly hip hop beats. Oh, okay, yeah, that's really nice. Is it German hip hop, or is it like I'm assuming it's probably German hip hop, which is pretty cool. It's always fun to work to do stuff with your friends. Like my friends and I, we used to make songs as well at some point. All of them are pretty shit, but like, I mean, there was one. We made one song that was actually really funny, and it turns out the whole class really enjoyed it. We like posted in our groups, like in our classes, like WhatsApp group, and everyone had a big laugh. So that was really fun. Oh, shit. And yeah, it's cool. It's cool. As long, I mean, doing anything creatively or anything creative is always great. Definitely comes in handy this quarantine for us people. I agree. All right. So, any suggestions what I should be working on? Like, we have this little to-do list of stuff that I wanted to do. So, let's see. I mean, we could probably do the main menu. That one seems to be doing quite fine. So, I think we're gonna work on the main menu for the long way home a bit more. Trying to get all of that done let's put that in here. Main menu implementation. So I started on that one in a previous stream, and yeah, it went quite well, and you'll see it in a bit. The other stuff is mostly animations that I'm waiting for at the moment from my animator, so can't really work on that, but the rest should be fine. Cool. It's a good time to clean up your apartment. Like, if you're gonna vacuum, the neighbors are gonna get annoyed. But yeah, go for it. Go for it, dude. Okay. Also, I need to fix this train at some point in the future so we can have it in the game. Oh wait, okay. Yeah, so I actually left this off working on some stuff, so I might actually finish this up real quick and then we can start working on the main menu. Sounds pretty good. Also, before I forget, in case you haven't seen it yet, we have merch. I mean, not properly yet, but I'm pretty proud of this one. Yeah, so this is the first shirt that was made for the game, and it was made by a friend of mine, so I'm quite proud of it. It turned out really well, really great. And yeah, we're gonna make a few more of these, send them out to everyone in the team, and yeah, hopefully, I mean, if you guys are interested, we can even consider distributing them online and like starting to sell them, but I'm not sure about that yet, so that's something for the future. Do let me know what you guys think about that idea though. Would be interesting to hear. Cool, so I started cleaning up the player character a lot more. It looked like a big mess before I did this, so yeah, this is important. Gonna clean up these things as well, because we don't need them. Yeah, sweet. Might also throw this on here as well, in case people are interested. I don't know, dude. Other streams. Yeah, let's put this here as well. Oh boy, man. I feel so shitty about this. Like, I'm pretty much just going through like a couple of Discord servers I'm on. Like, I'm trying to be more active in like other people's indie servers and so on, and like talking to other indie devs. So yeah, but like now I'm just like pretty much posting the stream announcement everywhere. Alright. Yeah, that's fair. That is fair, dude. Okay. Nice. What's up, bro? Hey, Indian RPG Game Render. What a sick name, dude. How are you doing? Thanks, 7IO. I'm really proud of this shirt as well. Maybe we can get you one as well. Or like, ooh, game/shirt bundles. Yo, that's a great idea actually. I'm gonna consider that. That's a really good idea. This music, the song is like, it doesn't end. Let's get to the next one. Yeah, we should do that. Wow, I like that. Especially with the demo. I mean, since we're gonna be releasing a free demo soon, we might be able to, like, since the demo is free, we could say like, okay, but you can support us by buying one of our shirts. I don't know if that's something we'd want to do. So yeah, we'll see. Lots of possibilities here. Cool. So what was I doing? So let's get rid of this. So I started working on some dialogue triggers, which should allow us to easily play sound like dialogue effects, or yeah, dialogue whenever the player walks into a certain zone. So that will be quite important. Let's have a look. So yeah, let's play this one. Forest. I should call this 1, and it shouldn't be a choice. And if we play it now, this should work. Yo, I'm vibing to this. It's pretty cool. Come on, what is going on? Ah. Jesus, okay. How's my FPS doing? Let's make sure we got solid FPS going. Looks pretty okay. Oh shit! Why are we so... What's going on? Okay, is it the stream? I mean, now it's fine. Let's have a look. So, he's a fun little feature for you guys, for everyone who's working with Unreal. Use the console, type in stat unit graph, and you get this beautiful graph that shows you.
I can't believe I'm finally getting paid to do a photo hunt. Maybe I should give this a go before I spot any golden finches.
Hey, seems like the dialogue trigger is working, guys. That's cool. Now there's one thing, and that is there's no HUD element here, so we should theoretically, I mean ideally this should be established at the start of the level or with the character. So let's see. The shirt acts as a pre-order for the game that you then get to play 2 days earlier than anybody else. That's also, oh, I like that idea as well, dude. That's really cool. Yeah, that's definitely something we can consider. maybe I should get you on board for the marketing of this game. How's that sound to you? You come up with all these crazy ideas, dude. Let's have a look. So I think in the level blueprint over here, what I should be doing is establishing the okay, so I'm creating the dialogue widget for the player controller, and then I'm setting it, and then I'm adding it to the viewport. So why don't we just do that in the character when we press play? That's what I'm wondering. So let's move some stuff around. This is for blinking, this is for the anim instance, that's fine. Cool, so because I think we even, no, that's the viewfinder UI. Okay, create widget. But okay, well, the reason I'm probably not doing this is because I don't want to, wait, self? No, get, I mean, play, I mean, that works? Well, I think get play control is the one we want here. Okay. And then we want to, because I'm setting it somewhere. Hold on. Yeah, there is a dialogue widget component which I'm setting. So we gotta do this as well. Where you at? Set dial. No, we don't. Wait. But I'm so confused right now. Because this should be the same character as this boy. Dialogue widget. Ah, there it is. Okay. That's just, right. Okay. So since I didn't, okay, it makes sense. Since I didn't put in the right class in here, it didn't allow me to do any of that. And then we want to add this to the view. Add this to the viewport. Exactly. Add to view. Okay. And now, hopefully. That's fine. We got some errors, but oh, okay. This is the wrong level now. But we're still working in the trailer level. Should be fine now. Yeah, probably the right idea actually. Right, so I guess I'd put it in development. Alright. I'm gonna try and be a bit more active in there as well. Alright, let's get back to this. How's it going? How's it doing, folks? Hope you're all having a good time. Hope you're not getting too bored by this quarantine.
Man, this is gonna be fun. Can't believe I'm finally getting paid to do a photo hunt. Maybe I should give this a go before I spot any golden finches.
Yeah, yeah. Standalone AXE will definitely be like, that's a build that we have to make at some point. I'm gonna maybe actually today I could try and get one done.
Can't believe I'm finally getting paid to do a photo hunt. Maybe I should.
Okay. Right, so the second dialogue line isn't playing for whatever reason, even though it should automatically jump into it. But let me see. Let's see. So let's browse to this. Yeah, we definitely have to test this on potato laptops. See how it goes. Right, so I chopped this one up, and then I was able, okay, and then every line has a sound, because I feel like, okay, so my system works the way that only stuff with sound actually plays, which is fine. So in that case, I'll have to check if I can change the system here, but I think now we should get subtitles for the other line.
Oh man, this is gonna be fun. Can't believe I'm finally getting paid to do a photo hunt. Maybe I should give this a go before I spot any golden finches.
Nope. Okay. So what's the criterion? Let's go into the character then. This is all new, so here we are. So we talk, blah blah. Is talking is false. This is for switching the partner. We don't need that. Wait. Okay, so what's the condition here? False, we go to... Wait, none of this is actually connected to anything, I'm just noticing that. Oh, it is, I see, okay. Getting confused by my own code. Haven't looked at this in a while. Yeah, I'll keep spoilers in mind, don't worry about it. So what needs to happen here? What is this condition? Let's see. End. If it's true. Wait, what? That doesn't make any sense. Right, this is the row found condition. So if it's false, then it's going to the dialog partner, right? Okay, if it's true, we're gonna plus the dialog index, so we're gonna add to it, and then if it's end, we're gonna say conversation over, and if it's false, then it's true. Oh, I see. So if end is false, we go here, and then we're checking if there's start choice in the dialog partner. That okay? I mean, maybe that makes sense. I don't know what I was thinking back when I made this, to be really honest. But okay, so I feel like what's the problem here is that instead, well, we can do this, but instead of doing that, so it's going to the partner, and she probably doesn't even have a dialogue partner. That's probably what's going on here, and that's why it gets stuck. Yeah, exactly. So can we give her herself as dialogue partner? I think that might work. Might actually fix the problems here. Let's see. This is my own dialogue system, so there's no guarantee that it works immediately.
Man, this is gonna be fun. Can't believe I'm finally getting paid to do a photo hunt. Oh man, maybe I should give this a go before.
Cool, this time it works. And then we don't even need this as far as I think. Wait, no, we do actually need exactly this. But we don't need the sound in here, so we can just clear that. Because the sound will hopefully be playing from the other line.
Oh man, this is gonna be fun. Can't believe I'm finally getting paid to do a photo hunt. Maybe I should give this a go before I spot any golden finches.
There we go. That was beautiful. That worked. That worked perfectly. So yeah, awesome. That's pretty much all we need. And all we need to really do is, like, with these triggers, make them invisible and start placing them and start playing all the appropriate dialogue voice lines at the right times. Alright. Okay. Sorry guys if I seem distracted from time to time. I'm chatting with some people from the team. There's some things we need to discuss every now and then. So yeah. Let's see. How can I actually... Right, okay, here it shows it. That's pretty nice. Sweet. Let's continue. Let's continue the development stream. So this is done. I'm not going to go much further into this, because placing all the voice lines and that is not really gonna make for an interesting stream anyways. So I might as well just spend my time on something else, and also that should avoid spoilering you guys too much in terms of what is gonna happen in the game. So because the demo is going to be quite short, we gotta be kind of careful to not give away everything. So yeah, this looks pretty good. Let's work on the main menu then, because like I definitely feel like there's not much to spoil there, even if we add the voice lines and so on. So should be cool. That should hopefully be cool. Haha. Looks like Epic Games is also doing a live stream at the moment. Oh yeah, they're talking about Houdini. It's interesting. It's a little unfortunate because my stream time basically like matches up with Unreal's streaming schedule like exactly. So yeah, I'm always streaming whenever they're streaming, so I might change my schedule a little bit to make sure that I don't clash with them, because I feel like a lot of the people that would be interested in my kind of stream would also be, well, you know, I'm probably watching Unreal at the moment, so yeah. Cool. I will send you an exe of what I've got at the end of the stream, hopefully. So if I end up making something cool, then I'll send it to you. Definitely an idea. Aha. My boy Crimson over here is also streaming right now. What's his stream schedule? Dude, you're not even on schedule, dude. What are you doing? It's alright. Fine. So I just gotta like find the right time to start the streaming thing. Let's get back to it. How do I do that? I don't know. I'm completely new to Twitch. There we go. Cool, I can follow this over here. Yeah, so hey, good evening. Hey Peter, how's it going? Haha, you saw my BGE stream. Yeah, that's cool. I might do that again actually. It was pretty fun to play around with BGE. Might actually try doing it tomorrow. So like, I don't know, maybe I can do that. Yeah, it's really cool. Have a look at Unreal Engine. It's really nice. I really love working with it. There's just nothing quite matches it, especially not UpBGE. I'm sorry to all the UpBGE fanboys out there. It's just how things are. If you wanna go for game development and you wanna do it professionally or in a semi-professional way, you gotta switch at some point. I mean, there's some people that are doing it with UpBGE, don't get me wrong. I might actually just like try doing something cool with the UpBGE at some point. But yeah, it's gonna be in the far future. The Eevee build is very buggy indeed. Okay, let's keep going over here. So let's have a look. This is, yeah, so there's a lot that needs changing with this over here, but we have this book and it fades in our main menu very nicely, and some more settings, but we're not entirely sure about that yet, so this is going to change quite a bit. But now what I want to start working on is when you press start game, she's supposed to turn the page, pictures appear, and you're in the game pretty much right away. Yeah, exactly, you won't be able to get a full project done in UpBGE, at least not to like the quality level of something you can achieve in Unreal. And I don't think that's going to happen, not even in the near future, and probably not even in a couple of years. There's just not enough developers working on the UpBGE, because like since Unreal is powered by Epic, there's just so many devs working on it, so yeah, it'll always be up to date. Yeah, I work in Blender, not as much anymore actually. I mean, sometimes I do stuff in Blender, but yeah, it's been a while. It's been a while since I've recently I've done some modeling stuff in Blender, but other than that, I don't really use it that much anymore. Okay, so how are we going to tackle this? bring up my sticky notes again. Trusty sticky notes. Go away. This one can go. Oh, how do I don't actually know. So for this main menu, we need to like do the start of the game, turn page, monologue with pictures. We need to create the pictures as well. That one's gonna be quite a big one. And yeah, BG is probably not gonna see the same amount of development as actual Blender, which is fair. It's just a side project thingy. And then we need to put it all together, whatever that means. But that's the to-do list for tonight. We need an Easter egg where she turns over a few pages and finds that the book is hollowed out and her husband hit a hip flash. Okay, maybe with like a key combination you can access that. Cause like, I mean, this is the family photo album. I'm not sure why the husband would hide a flask in it, but oh man, Obi's just giving out homework. It's pretty funny. But yeah, check out the Game Jam version for The Long Way Home if you haven't done so yet. That was how this game started. It's been quite a while. Yeah, the book did actually have an Easter egg, which is very true. Glad you liked the Game Jam version. Glad you enjoyed that. Okay, so listen, I need to think for a second. So what we should do, everything is controlled in this blueprint, which is pretty good. So we need a custom event, turn page, and I'm not sure how I set this whole thing up, so let's have a look. Yeah, we actually won the BGMC with that. So yeah, it was quite successful. That's why we decided to turn it in a full-on game. The prototype was really well received, and so so it made sense for us to do this. Okay, so I'm getting the anime instance. Why am I getting the anime instance every single time? That's really stupid, and I shouldn't do this. Instead, what I should be doing is to promote this to variable, call this the anim instance. And then I should be doing this on begin play. There we go. And then in here now I just have to plug the anim instance in wherever we need it. Wherever we need that. I'm pretty sure there was another thing here where I had to plug it in, but I'm not sure. I don't know where it is now. Let's see. Cool, that saves up a lot of space. Yep. So target must have a connection. There it is. That's the one. There we go, all fixed. Huh. Yeah. It was the tell a story was the theme for that BGMC. It was quite fun. It was really fun to actually work on like a story driven project and make the game like that. Definitely had a good time with it. And yeah, it's sad you never got your ghost to fly. That's very sad, but that's kind of, I guess that's what happens in those game jams a lot, you know. So what we want to do is we want to set, I have a variable in here which is the page turn. So I'm going to set page turn. I'll set this to true. And then we want to play an animation. We probably want to set the play rate to 1 or something. I actually don't know why. Why am I having a rate of 20 here? I'm so confused, but seems, I mean, I must have thought something back then when I made that. Might be a smart idea to start putting comments in my like okay, page turn, there we go. Might be a smart idea to start putting comments in my blueprints, not gonna lie. Something I kinda neglected in the past. Oh man, the baby mode, I remember. I wonder if you can find that, if you can dig that up. Like, that would be pretty funny. I kind of want to show that. That was pretty cool. Ooh, a super short game set in a music studio. That sounds kind of interesting. I mean, what would it be about? Would you be like producing a hip hop song? Also, 7IO, I don't think you ever told me if you guys are doing German rap or not, or like German hip hop, if that's the thing you're doing. Well, I believe you didn't tell me. Maybe you did. But yeah, I think, I mean, I'm not sure if BGMC is still a thing, but if it is, we should definitely join it again at some point, or even if it's not, we should try to bring it back. Totally agree with you. Because it's been so fun, dudes. It has been really fun. That's how this whole thing got started for me. I mean, I wouldn't be where I am today if it wasn't for the BGMC. Careers have been made. I mean, sort of. Wouldn't call it a career just yet. But we'll see. Okay, so you got three friends rapping and 1 singing. That's actually quite impressive. Yeah, that's actually really cool. But like, yeah, okay, so it's German. Yeah, that's nice. That's what I expected. But nice. Do you have any songs online that I could listen to? Wait. So what we gotta do here, yeah, so we gotta have a gate, and we gotta have this dialogue interact. There we go. And if we do that, we should get the turn page. I should also have the stuff fade out, but we'll see about that. Alright, yeah. Send it to me. I'd love to hear it. Ah, jeez, Zoe. Oh man. Wait, what? What the fuck? What was that? That was underwhelming. I think that's like the... I think you already told it. But oh man, that's like the fifth time I've heard that joke from you, Obi. SMH my head, dude. SMH. Can't even, dude. I can't even. Yeah, so apparently I tried to set it up so that this bot thingy would kind of tweet out whenever I was streaming, but it doesn't seem to do that. So let me just quickly like copy the link in there so that others can also hop in if they're interested. I don't know how big Twitter will be in promoting the stream, but we'll see. At least we got a few people, that's always good. God, why is everybody doing this recently? Like, everybody's just like continuing the joke. Like, I mean, or like, how do you call it? I mean, yeah, just like pretending to not have heard the joke and stuff. And usually I do that a lot. But yeah, I don't know. Recently, everybody seems to be doing it on me instead of me doing it on other people. It's kind of funny. Amelie, I'm cooking egg with a spoon. So, is this book animation going the right way actually, or is this just Obi that fucked up his animation? Because that could also be it. Let me check this. It's probably him, to be honest. Dude, I also... Oof, I need to... Hold on, before we do anything else, these need to be renamed. Book idle, there we go. Everything else can go. Amelie? Now on DVD? Yeah, we should do like a podcast stream or something. Like, we should do like a podcast format where I talk to other indie game developers or stuff, or maybe members of our team or something. I don't know. What do you guys think? You want to see a podcast? If you want to see a podcast, press F in the chat now. Press F in the chat if you want to see the podcast. Do it now. Okay. Not seeing any Fs yet, guys. Seems like nobody wants to have the podcast. Too bad, too bad. Looks like you're gonna be missing out. No, that's why we're gonna do it, Obi, because of the dad jokes. It's just gonna be dad jokes. This whole podcast is gonna be a dad joke. That's such a great idea, though, isn't it? That's like the best podcast idea I've heard to this day. Oh, we got one F. Great. Great. At least we got one F. Yo, so how do I get more people to watch the stream on Twitch? Not that it really matters, but like, I don't know, it would be fun. Still gotta figure all of this out anyways, so like it's small steps, you know? This whole publicity thing and whatever, it's just takes some time. Cool, now we got some names on these. Source control is taking its toll. Source control is taking its toll. Yeah. Yeah, I'm on Twitch as well, my dude. Hold on. Let me actually, that it might actually be smart. You gave me a smart idea. I can, first of all, I can post this in here. And then you have the Twitch link. And second of all, I can potentially change this over here. Why is everyone streaming right now? What the hell? I'm going to also put this, put the Twitch. Whoa, what was that? No, that's not what I wanted. Put the Twitch thing in there as well. I don't know why people from YouTube would want to join on Twitch, but like, you know, whatever floats your boat. Maybe you just prefer Twitch. Maybe you're just like the platform more. I don't know. Maybe you like free Valorant drops. Should probably do that. I should probably just put like drops on in the. Should put drops on in the description or in the title of the Twitch stream. Not even stream Valorant, but like just try to farm. I swear, I saw someone else being live with like a development stream or something. Whatever. Doesn't really matter, does it? As long as we're having fun over here. That's cool. That should do it. Okay, so now that we actually renamed these, we can check out the animation in here. Haha, I knew it. My dude fucked up. But shouldn't be that shouldn't be that big a deal. Because what we can do. No. I used to watch Twitch all day a few years ago, but Twitch got taken over a bit by girls dancing and showing off for people to donate them. Oh, really? Okay. Yeah, I mean that's fair, I guess. That's not really the quality content you'd hope to see on Twitch. I mean, maybe for some people it is, I don't know. Whatever floats your boat. Well, I can't offer that experience at the very least, so I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. So it's still doing it the wrong way. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. What are you making me do here, dude? Mr. Obi? You're making me suffer. Alright, so here's my idea. If we reverse this animation, then it should hopefully match up. Cause let's have a look. Hold on. Yeah, so this is what it currently does, and it should go the other way. So if we play backwards, but it doesn't. That's not how the page is supposed to be folding. That's the issue. Jesus. First you make the book open from the wrong side, dude. Like, this book has been, like, she opens the back instead of the front. Which, I mean, we can excuse that, I guess. But, like, it's just been a big chaos with this book so far. Oh, wait, we have a montage here as well? Why? This just, it's not even work. Wait. Hold on. I'm confused. Yeah. Japanese family book in a Canadian family. I'm not sure why not. Well, this is a book, so you open it like this. Actually makes sense. What am I talking about? What am I trying to reverse over here? This is perfectly fine. It's just that. Right, okay, so. Can't hear me? What happened? What? Can you... Oh, what? Oh, my microphone just like... My microphone got quiet again. What the hell? I'm so confused. Alright. So weird. I don't know. I could have checked this at some point. No. Oh, now it's loud again, see? Sorry guys for that ear rape. But yeah, I'm just gonna leave Audacity open. For some reason that seems to fix the volume of my mic, otherwise it just goes down. So yeah, thanks for pointing that out, Peter. Very nice, very nice. So what are you actually doing? Like you making some stuff? You said you're doing stuff with Unreal Tournament, or no? Was it? No, it was. What was it? You said before. I remember, dude. Hold on. UDK, yeah, that's the one, Unreal Development Kit. You were working with that. It's pretty cool. I don't know much about UDK though, so like, yeah, it's completely something else to me. So what we need to do is we need to blah blah. This is the fixing the camera. We need to set the IK alpha 0. We don't want to see the cursor, so that's fine. And then if the alpha is 0, we should hopefully play an animation. Let's see. This is pretty neat. We'll get into this. Okay. It's a start. Why are we not Oh, of course. I set the page turn variable, but I set it to false, so of course it's not gonna do anything. It still doesn't do anything though, okay. So we're playing stuff over here. Play animation, open the book. So we're just telling it to do that stuff. And then theoretically, as soon as this changes, maybe we have to do that. Make it instance editable. Make that a thing. But it seems to be fine with the IK, so we should be in this animation, right? We should be looping through that. Yeah. And then we should hop into it as soon as page turns true. If you turn the page, so we're going to play this animation, which is this one. Yep. And that should work. And once that's done, which will be automatically timed out with the blending, they should go back. So that should work. I don't know what's the problem right now. I'm going to put this over here. I can actually pin this. Yeah, that's perfect. So I'm going to pin this using window top, which is an awesome little helper tool. I'm going to make this over here, put this over here, and now up. And now there's only one thing we have to do. We have to, of course, set our debug instance. There we go. And now we should. We're still not seeing anything. What's the point? You're a 3D artist and programmer, huh? It's impossible to make a 3D game on your own. I mean, why? Okay, so you just alright. So you're just like struggling because you don't really know what to do or like how to start. 3D making 3D walking simulators fairly straightforward. I mean, you can see it. You can see what we're making. But yeah. And write a 2D game on the side. Okay, that's interesting. I mean, it sounds ambitious, but that's cool. For me, I try to... Wait, so do I have to like actually play it like this and then it... Why does it... Okay, why does it actually kick it out every time? I'm a bit confused. So, you know... And then it should... Yeah, there's no debug filter object, right? Now there is. Hey, there we go, okay. So we're playing the open book. It never goes to the open book idle, interesting, okay. That's why. Okay, so what's the condition for that? Automatic. I mean, okay, that's it. That explains it, but... Right, so if we're setting... It's probably fucking up because we're setting this stuff over here. So, like, yeah, let's just... Time remaining. Time remaining of book Ruth open less than 0.2. We want to switch over. Yeah, can we go back to the vibe music we had earlier? There was like one really dope song in the beginning of that playlist. feel like the first one's good. I like that actually more people are watching me on Twitch now than are watching me on YouTube. Also, I'm curious, do I count as my own viewer here? Or does that not count me in? Same goes for YouTube. Am I the only... No, I'm actually... Wait, am I in the stream? Yeah, no, I'm not in the stream. Okay. Huh. But it doesn't seem to count me as a viewer, so that's cool. Huh. Right. Cool. Okay, let's have a look. This should work now. It's not guaranteed, but it hopefully should. Aha! The finger works as well now. That's actually great. That's perfect. Oh man, it just works, dude. It just works. Yo! And turning works as well. Perfect. Nice. Cool. Do we go back into the idle is what I'm wondering. Wait, we should find that one out by just waiting a bit longer. Oh yeah, that was the song. That song's dope. So it looks like we're not going back into the idle. It looks like we're kind of stuck. Let me have a look. Yeah, okay, so these automatic blends just don't seem to be working, so let's go with the other time remaining thing again. Less than 0.2. I hope this actually doesn't lose my work if I... Ah! Might actually have done it. I don't know. Oh, it says cool. That's cool. Yeah. Now we should go back to this. Right. Now there's one more thing I want to do, or that we have to do. We don't need this at the moment. Don't need you either. We don't need you. So when the turn is over, which is at 3.3 seconds, we want to put in a delay of 3.3. We want to play this. Oh, the idle animation for the buck. And we want to set the IK alpha back to 1. Yeah, this is interesting though. This is pretty cool. These analytics are interesting. I'm getting distracted again. Hold on, stream's offline? What? Oh shit. Did I just break the stream? What happened? What happened?
Oh shit.
Wait.
Did I just break the stream?
It's doing the weird voice thingy again. What the fuck? I sound horrible. Is this the same on Twitch? Is it the same over here? God, no. Is it the same over here? This is so weird.
God, no.
Okay, so it's like pitching my voice down with my microphone for whatever reason, and I don't know why. It's been happening in Teams calls and everything. It's been super awkward, and I don't know what's going on. So like, I'd really love to find out. It's been happening in Team. Yeah, now it's even on like Audacity. It's been happening in Teams calls and everything. Alright, I have to Google that at some point. But that's for another. That's not for the stream, so it doesn't really matter for you guys. Oh. Alright, so after the delay, we gotta set the IK alpha back to 1. Sounds fine on stream? You think so? Maybe you don't know my actual voice, but I don't know. It seems pitched down to me, and other friends have been pointing that out in the past. So yeah, I don't know what's going on. Whoa, 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 whoa! Stop that! Stop if you. God, this reminds me of that Dover Brothers song. If you feel sad, stop that. Yeah, the audio you play in Audacity sounded strange, but not on stream. Okay. Maybe it's. Maybe. Well, on YouTube it's not weird. Are you still watching on YouTube though? Okay. I don't know. What is going on now? Are we constantly triggering this and then like. Why is it glitching out? Why is it not hopping back to the other state? Like, what? So much going wrong. As usual, as per usual. I mean, what do I expect? Which sounds fine too. Alright, it's good to know. Maybe it's just here then. What is going on? I'm very much confused. I'm very much no thank you. And I am very much out of here. JK, but what the hell? Not even doing anything differently, it's just... Wait. Oh, I'm so stupid. Jesus, of course. It's going back and forth between these because I'm not saying that. Hey, not even that. That's not the one. My dude, my boy. Is it already that late? And to be fair, I stayed up quite late yesterday. So I might be pretty tired already. Who knows? Who knows? But I feel like that should fix things. Hopefully. Yeah, there we go. So we turn the page and then we can continue doing this. Cool. This is good. This is good. Can we also hide the background? Right, I'm lerping it here, so since I'm probably going to use this timeline again at some point, yeah, I might have to do that. Then we could actually play it from reverse, get the direct. Okay, let's do that. Let's set this up properly. Close book. This is gonna be very interesting. We can play. You can go here. This guy. Let's collapse this. Linking and leave Okay, what's this? Old prototyping. Can go away. Cool. Let's make this way independent as well. Book mesh. We don't need to have them dragging around everywhere. Oh boy, that was not my intention. There's one more. Maybe not. Oh, it's fine. So this is for closing the book. That one's not an important function right now anyway, so yeah. Gonna focus on that later. Cool. So, here's what we're going to do. Instead of setting this alpha over here, we're going to put this into the reverse of the timeline. We're gonna have to clean up a bunch of stuff over here. This is just unusable at the moment. Buttons. A button. We have to press all the buttons. Hopefully people will press our buttons. Okay, come on, we can do this. So, this is pretty much, okay, so here's where the magic and stuff happens. So that should be fine, and then we want to get, actually we don't have to get any of that, we can just literally do this. And that should pretty much do exactly what we're hoping for. And then when this is over, we do that, and we can actually just play it from start again. But this time, right? This time we have to change something. Yes. So we need another another thing. Show menu, another boolean. We will set show menu to false, which it typically will be true. And you'll see what this will do in a second here, hopefully, because what we're saying is if this is basically, if it's true, then we do this, and if it's not, then we don't. So this should keep us from showing the menu again after we fade back in. So now, everything worked out, we have smooth transition into menu and hand movement. As you can see, I can control this. And when I press start, we kind of have a smooth transition out of it, a smooth transition back in, and no menu showing up anymore. So that's good. The transitions need some work, obviously, but start. Alright, so now the next step will be to make a button here that if you press it, it goes to another page and another page and so on. So let's try that then. And maybe there's going to be more keys for this as well to make it very accessible and so on. But yeah, overall it works pretty well already.
So how do I make a button? I'll literally make one in here. Cool. So we need to put this in, and we will just basically make a, hold on, there's something I need to test though. So right now you can see these other buttons and I can actually like press them. Some of them nothing happens. For this one it shows the website and so on. Oh, come on, but it's important to get out of it. But if I start the game, this stuff should disappear. But we'll still be able to, yeah, I will still be able to press these buttons. That's something we have to change. So, alright, we're going to change that in a second, but before we do that, I'm going to make another button, which is going to be usable. So we're going to make a box collision, turn page collision. And that's mounted to the book. Beautiful. So we'll give it at least like some space for players to be able to grab it. Like so. A bit more maybe, but not too much. Overall, this is just supposed to help them turn the page. I need some sort of visualizer as well as to like when you're actually over something that you can interact with. Cool. And this way we will get the player to automatically put their hand in that spot to turn the page. So the blending should work a lot better as well. Cool, that's pretty much it. Now we need those begin overlap and end overlap thingies. And okay. And we need to do exactly what we're doing here. Checking for the component. And then we need to do a gate, like so. And now we need to turn the page again. There we go. That should be that functionality down. Now, here's the deal. Yeah, so when show menu is true, we can do it with a show menu variable. Yeah, let's do that. So we're just going to have to, oh wait, that's probably the easiest way to do this. Is for every time we get that input is to just check it if it is actually like if the menu is visible. This way, man, I don't like the way this looks. Blueprinting is hard to maintain clean, you know? But yeah, that should do the trick. Cool, cool, cool. Same for this one. And for this one we gotta do the opposite. So this is the last one, yes. So for this one, we gotta do the opposite. We gotta make it, if it's false, then we can use that button. Otherwise, you can just turn the page even though the book isn't even opened yet, or like you haven't pressed start yet. So let's see how this goes. So I can't do anything here yet. Which might make sense to put start game over here in the end, which is probably where it's going to go, because that makes a lot more sense. And then we can turn the page, nothing shows up anymore. Can't click anything over here, but if I click over here, we're turning the page again, and thing continues. It's a perfect loop, almost perfect loop. But yeah, alright, that works. That works. This one actually, I'm thinking it might even be fine if we ignore this and make it so that people can open it regardless. I won't really know, but this is just another way to start the game in this case, so that's fun. Always nice to have multiple ways of starting your game. So there we go. Let's keep that in there. Now that's solved. Let's add some of the functionality in here. Well, not really functionality, but what we will be needing is to have pictures in this book as well. So we need to add those. Sorry guys, I need to take a short break. Make sure I get a bit of movement, because I've been sitting so much. Last time I did jumping jacks, let's do that again. Come on and join on in. Yeah. It's pretty good. It's pretty good indeed. Yeah, I love this drum beat in this song. Pretty chill. Okay. Alrighty, let's keep going. Ba-da-ba-da. We need pictures. We need lots of pictures. Now, how are we gonna do this? We have a few here, but especially on that page, it's gonna be very hard to get them wrapped to it, unless. Alright, here's what we have to do. Let's see what Obi has done. So he did do some stuff for it, apparently, because there's a there's a picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, and picture 4. But why are they not showing up, I wonder? Oh, wait, they are showing up, right? Seems like that. Wait. Is there a hole? There's a hole in the page. Interesting. There we go. Okay, so this one's showing up, but it's the wrong side. This one is also showing up, but it's the wrong side. So, in short, the normals are causing some problems here, and that's why nothing's showing up really. Let me have a look at my materials, if we have like a master material that we could use to basically set up those pictures. Yeah, because what this has done, it created a new material for each of these, which is really not good. So I'm going to actually delete all these. Force delete. This is taking a bit. Oh, maybe it's gonna crash it. Oh, please. Please stay with me. Stay with me on the rail. Don't crash. No crash, please. No crash, don't crash. No, no. No, no, don't crash, no. Please, no crash, no. It's not very good. It's not crash. Is not good. Hey boy, oh baby. It look like crash, eh? Is it crash? Is it not crash? What is going on? It look like it is crash. That sucks, man. That sucks. Yeah, it is crash. But I saved pretty much everything, so it should be fine. Should be fine. Should be in the machine, you know? Let's restart this then. What was that? The launcher, good. Yeah, so I don't know, there's not that many people here at the moment, but like, what do you think about the game? Let me know. Are you excited? Is it something you'd want to play? Is it like, what would you want to see in it? What are things that you'd be interested in seeing in a game like this? Let me know. Send some nice comments. You don't have to be nice. You can say whatever you want. But yeah. It would be cool to hear from you guys what you think about the project so far. Let's actually have a look. I haven't checked this in a while, so let's go check out Game Jolt. That has been pretty good. Kim has been doing pretty good over there, which is always nice. Yeah, I'm starting to get a bit tired now, so I'm probably not gonna stay up for that much longer. To be honest, we will see. We shall see. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool stuff. Hey, 7IO's back. Ooh. Yeah, this is cool. Just Unreal crashed on me, so I'm restarting at the moment. Going through some games and games. I'll try out the demo here. Ooh. Let's see. Yeah, some pretty cool stuff on here from time to time. Hey, did we get a new sticker? No. Still have that same sticker, yeah. How's it going, 7IO? You still chilling? I asked like a couple minutes ago. I asked people to tell in the chat like what they think about the game so far. If they like what it looks like and so on. What is this? I know that asset pack, but it looks like some stuff is unique. Yo, Jesus, oh shit. Wow, this actually looks dope. I'm not gonna lie. Looks very tight. I love the sound effects, and the punting's pretty fun too. Wow, okay. Looks like the gunplay is pretty nice as well. We got grenade. That guy didn't die from the grenade. Oh, these good. No, they don't die. That's weird. It looks cool, like everything in there so far seems very polished, which is quite nice. Oh, the shotgun. Show more of the shotgun. Oh, no. It's just this weird low damage SMG. Ah, shotgun. Let's go. Show it. Ah, he's just throwing nades. Come on, dude. Okay. That's pretty chill. Almost like reminds me a bit of like Mirror's Edge in a way. From like the guards and so on. Cool, cool. Oh yeah, I remember him. What was his name? Fajrul NF or something. I think. Yeah, that guy. Pretty sure that's him. I mean, maybe there's another guy. There was like a German guy as well. But he made Z-Virus. That one's pretty dope. This was like the remake. Yeah, I mean, this is really sick for like Blender game engine standards. Not him. If you remember his name, let me know in the chat, and then I'll have a good look. There's this one, Teld Games. He's been making some stuff. Like his stuff is actually not looking too bad either. I mean, it's still like you can still see the graphical problems and stuff. That just comes with BG. He's doing the titles right now. He's definitely doing the video titles right. John W. John W. BGE. Nope. Where do I find him? Can't find him, dude. Oh, this guy. Yeah, I've seen him. Yeah, this was ages ago. But yeah, this was like really inspirational for me as well. Yeah, it's This looks sick, and it runs at 60 FPS as well. That's impressive, actually. It's pretty low on rasterizer and logic and so on. It's good. Yeah, it's really nice. Huh. Yeah, this was definitely one of the most impressive Blender game projects that I've seen as well. There's this other dude who sometimes still hangs out and stuff. He's been making some cool stuff, some cool projects, but he also switched to Unreal. It's just how it goes, I guess. It's just how things go. But yeah, he made this. It's pretty cool as well. This one was really impressive as well. Like, definitely good job on the lighting and so on. I mean, yeah. Kinda looks a bit like Source. It would be cool to kind of get together like the best of the BGE community, or like the people that used to post a lot of cool shit, and like trying to make something together in BGE. Maybe we could rally them. The one you're talking about is Martin Sage, as far as I know, right? Martin Zipitis, there we go. He made that water shader thingy. He made atmosphere add-on for Eevee. Exponential height fog node for Eevee. Yeah, this should work in BGE. If that is working in Eevee, then it should work in the newest branch of a BGE, so that's pretty cool. Spherical penumbra shadows. Yeah, this guy's doing a lot of like shader experiments and stuff, which is really cool. Yeah. Area lights and so on. Wait, a guy who made a whole city on a Let's Play? I don't remember that. Don't think I've seen that. Let's play Blender. It's a pretty funny idea. Okay, though, that's pretty nice. Yeah, I wonder what Lars is up to these days. He's not posting anymore either. Like, that's just the sad truth about starting into like starting stuff, you know, like getting into the industry and so on. At some point you just lack the time to make YouTube videos. Oh wait, that's actually him. He's Associate 3 Artist at Vuga now. What is Vuga? Last Bauen in Blender, that's cool name, man. Last Bauen in Blender. Geil.
Hallo und herzlich willkommen, meine lieben kleinen Blender-Freunde. Oh Jesus, das klang ja vielleicht mal komisch. Ach, ich glaube, das wäre übersteuert. Egal, ich freue mich. Ich habe etwas anzukündigen, nach dem langen, die ich heute noch rausgerannt.
Was macht der Dude? Lass bauen.
So haben wir das doch schon mal so weit rüberziehen.
Interessante Idee auf jeden Fall.
Ja. Etwaige Stufen. Zack, zack.
Interessante Idee. Jetzt aber wirklich.
Hallo und herzlich willkommen. Dort entspringt dir eigentlich. So, wir haben. Mach das mal hier richtig. Wir haben den.
Die Seasons, oh
Der geht
man.
nach hinten. Und hier ist irgendwas offen anscheinend.
He's nah, he's not active
das ist ja
anymore, or not really on YouTube at the moment, at least, from what that looks like. It's sad. I wonder, like, I've never been like, I mean, I've had some. Most of the people were probably German that I talked to in the beginning when I started the channel and so on. This is interesting. So this guy made an actual level 80. Lars, man. Lars Pfeffer, my boy. He actually made a level 80 article, which is really cool. I mean, this is a sick looking environment. Really cool. Really cool. I'm not logged in. Too bad I can't like it then. Man, I wish I could like this. Come on, sign. I don't remember my password. Here we go. Like, follow. There we are. He's actually a pro? Are you kidding me? Impressive. Impressive. Yeah, I saw this one. It's pretty cool. It's working with Maya now. What? My dude. Why you do this? Yeah, definitely. He's got some really cool stuff. I mean, now he's an environment artist. It's really nice. He's making them props and stuff. Cool. Yeah, I'll have to check this out after the stream. Would be cool to talk to him at some point. I don't know, maybe I'll get in contact with him somewhere. Alright, let's restore this. See if we can, and then get back to it. Damn, music is missing. Alrighty, so everything should still work, hopefully. If not, that's a bit of a problem, but I'll just fix it at some point. So we gotta go for materials, and we wanna start making some materials. So I think this is my master material. Yeah, it is. Cool. So I'm gonna call this MI picture placeholder. Ding ding ding. And of course, since I'm not actually showing material instances, there we are. Cool, now we have this. This is gonna be our placeholder for the picture, obviously, duh. And then with that, we have to do two things. We have to say this is two-sided, and we'll give it a crazy default color just to make it stand out. I think this is a good idea. Let's see. Let's see, let's see. Cool. Now we gotta get this static mesh. We're gonna replace it with the placeholder. With the placeholder. Placeholder. And with the placeholder. So this works. Nice. We got him. We got him. We got him, boys. Go for it, download Blender, dude. Okay. Everything has been saved, so we should be able, should be fine to delete these now and hopefully not crash the engine. And yep, we are indeed. Okay, so things are gonna look a lot different now because we actually have pictures in the book now, which is good. It's a good start. Aha. So there is something wrong with the blueprint. No? But you didn't give me any control over my hand. This one seems fine as well. There we go. Alright, whatever went wrong there. Fixed now, apparently. Okay, so... yeah, now this is where we're running into a bunch of problems. Because it's a looping animation. So it's a bit of an issue, you know? Basically what we'd have to do is we'd have to make every page exactly the same with the pictures, which makes the most sense if you think about it as well. But therefore, to do that, we have to actually go into Blender. Any little asset you need for me to get back into modeling. Let me think about that. You could do a bird statue. We do have a bird model though, so I might just use that and turn that into a statue. Because otherwise it's just not really. There's no need for you to do extra work that way. Let me think some more. I'll think of something. There we are. Right. Whoa. So, this is our scene. Interesting. Ah! This is okay, this is a bit annoying. I can't play back animations or anything, but for now it doesn't matter. So we have open idle animation. What we want to do is, or even that one, we want to make sure that these match up. So, in order to do that, to make some small adjustments to the model here. So let's go, let's go. Right, page is white now. Okay. So here's what needs to happen. This needs to go. This needs to go. And basically this needs to kind of go as well. So I want to do that, I want to do this. There we go. Alright, now it's a almost completely white book. We want to do the same thing over here and get rid of all the little pictures and stuff. Still thinking about what kind of assets we could need. Oh no, I can't get rid of these because they have waiting applied to them, but I can get rid of these and then do the bending manually again. Okay. So we need 3 on each side. And then we need to try and kind of like replicate the animation of the closed book. If we do this right, yeah, if we do this right, then we should be able to get this quite convincing effect. I'll show you in a second, hopefully. Okay. Yes, this might not make the most sense. I mean, it would be fine probably, because like, yeah, like the page is moving. And they're like flat and there would be air here, so we're just not showing that, but cool. I think that should help a lot more with, should help a lot more with making this a much more smooth blend. Now the next step, of course, would be to add the pictures. So I'm thinking we can have like one picture here, one picture here, one picture here, one picture here, one picture here. Yeah, you get the idea. So for that we need to just select the right. Actually, we can't do it that way. We need to insert this by a value of 0.8 or something. Oh, no, that's way too strong. I.5? No? I.1? I.1? No, that's too... No, not scale. I.01? I.05. Now that looks fine. And if we sign this, there we go, there's a picture. So the same goes for this, I.05. And assign to make a picture, I.0. I'm not, wait. I.05. Gotta stick to this value as well. I.05 undo that. There we go. Yeah, that should be fine. And now the last page. Now the only issue we might have with this is that it will look a bit generic. Because like all the pictures are in the same spots now, but on the other hand, I might also make it look like it's kind of like that on purpose, you know? Could be. You never know. What did I just merge? I don't know, but I need timeline. Come on. And now the transition is, you can still notice it. It's not invisible, but it's better. It's mostly visible because at the end it's moving upwards. That's the thing that's causing this to be not completely invisible. So let's find out what he was thinking when he made that. It's like I get the idea of raising it and making it cool like that, but I don't think that is what we specifically need at this point. So we might want to get rid of that, those keyframes. And I'm not gonna get used to this. Yeah, and if we keep it like that, well, and if we make this solo now, come on. There we go. Might generally want to raise it up a little bit, just match here. Put this on the first keyframe. Come on. Alright, that should probably work pretty well. We want to get it even better, and I think the problem right now is, yeah, those things scale up. So we can get it even better by doing this, moving these up a bit, moving these up a bit. Making sure they match up as much as possible. Yeah, there we go. Now the pictures are just very much in the same spot, but on the other hand it helps really make this transition very visible, which is great. So what we're going to do, we're going to, oh wait, we need to actually change this animation and export it. Okay, we are going to export this new model. Wow, there's so many materials in here that we don't need. So wait, no. might need to actually overwrite this one, I think. And then we can get this just re-imported straight away, which would make things a lot easier, hopefully. So let's see. If I just go into this right now, if I say re-import, yeah, there we go, and that picture's all spaced evenly. And we can even, like, since we're only using this material, we can, yes, we can delete all of these slots. And it will look fine still. Perfect. Now, the same goes for this page turn animation. Yeah, which is also improved now. Beautiful. Now, one thing seems to be a little wrong here, and that's something with the... Okay, tangents, yes. So it does do the importing with the tangents and stuff, but it looks a bit to me like, yeah, there's definitely something going wrong here with the shading and the mob. That's a bit unlucky. How can we fix that? More settings, let's have a look. Don't think it's here really. But it's strange, it should be in the model itself. We can change that. And in here, yeah, in here it doesn't look like it's doing it properly. So if we just say import normals and tangents or import base mesh. No. Are we not sending the proper tangents or something? So this might have to do with the export. Let's try again. So set then the smoothing to edge. And this should hopefully make it right. No. Oh wait, I think I need to also add the tangent basis, but let's try this, see if this gives any better results. No. It's weird though, my export settings should technically be set up, but okay. Wait, hold on. Book animations FBX. That's the one we're writing to, so it should be fine. Yeah. I think this should be the export options, but not much to change about it, really. Huh, interesting. I don't know. Doesn't seem to work like it should. But, oh well. It's a prototype right now. And by that I mean this is gonna look like this in the game. Joke, of course. Oh, but that looks good now. That looks pretty good. And then we can... Yeah, that's a lot better. Cool. Cool. Getting some more of this, finally. Right, so now that we have this awesome new book layout, we actually need to make use of it as well and make sure that our menu is sort of doing the thing and fitting to the actual pictures. So what I kind of want to do is Settings, wish list. That should be like moved over to the appropriate locations. And this guy shouldn't be moved. And this guy shouldn't be moved either. Oh boy. Right, because these are buttons that I'm not actually using, but okay. Fine. Let's move you over here. Anchor you on the right. Just doing this roughly right now. I don't know, like the snapping size, setting it as high as possible still doesn't give anything better. Snapping is a bit of a confusing thing in Unreal, at least in this. So we're gonna have this one right here. We're gonna have the wish list button over here, like so, perhaps. We're gonna have the back button anchored to the bottom and the quit button anchored here. That looks kind of like a book. Let's have a look. Almost worked out. Here's the deal. Oh, no, I shouldn't do this. Okay. Again, still like I'm just trying to block things out here as quickly as possible so that we can prototype the mechanics and see if everything's functional. Let's make this like a, I don't know, like an interesting color for a picture or something. Cool. Well, that's the opposite of an interesting color, but whatever, it doesn't really matter right now. Okay. So, right now I need to move those buttons over as well. Like the hitboxes, so the quit button stays the same, back button stays the same, wishlist button migrates over here. Credits button stays, settings button migrates over here. Also they're a bit further apart now, which is good as well with the finger. Makes it easier. Cool. Seems to work now. Pretty good. So we go start. And now the idea is you can click these pictures, each of them, and you get a little monologue. Shouldn't be that hard to do. So I can't go back anymore, can I? No. That would be fun actually if you could go back to the menu like that. Can't right now. Let me actually quickly for Leonov, for our boy, let me see if I can find something that you could take care of modeling wise. Come on, where's the script? There we are. Right. Actually, it doesn't look like there are any assets we need at the moment in particular. Like, doesn't look like anything I need anything specific at the moment, unfortunately. So, like, yeah, you can just do whatever. Play around with stuff. I mean, if you really want to make something for the game, I'm just thinking, but so far it's like I'm not entirely sure what we need for the full game at the moment, so there's a lot of unknowns there. So I'd rather not like ask you to model anything at the moment in particular. Just wait until we have a bit more stuff ready. I mean, you can always do some small props and stuff. I don't know, stuff we can scatter around, like stuff from the 70s that makes you that immediately shows you that it's something in the 70s or something. Huh. Yeah, just go for it, dude. Okay, so I think instead of continuing with this, like trying to get this implementation stuff all done, I might actually try and switch it up a bit, because we need, for the script, we need we need a couple of pictures in this book, because that's what it's all about. And so I might actually just make those pictures, because I feel like that might be the more fun stream for you guys to check out. So let's create some cool pictures, shall we? So the first one we're going to need is of a deer in the forest. That shouldn't be too hard, because luckily I have a forest and I have a deer. It's actually an elk, now I think about it, damn it. Okay, so it might take a bit longer, let's see. Because in here, right, in here we should have animals. Yeah, we had this elk, who's pretty cool. He's even in this level somewhere. Yeah, he's here. We have Mr. Elk over here. But since in the dialogue we're talking specifically about a deer, almost said beer there. Since we're talking about a deer, I should try and get deer in instead of an elk. But luckily, in the old version of the game, we do have a deer model, so that should be not a big deal to get right. And let's see, and then I can probably also create some of the other scenes in the old game, because there are some assets in there and stuff that would just take a little longer to set up right now. Oh. And I'm starting to get quite tired. Old camera sitting proudly on a table. We could make that one. So let's hop into the room here. I just wonder what camera we're going to show here though. I guess this one? Yeah, I think this one, and then she just got... I mean, yeah, that makes sense, because this was like the camera in the 70s. It's a bit strange because it looks exactly like the one she's going to be using as the company camera in the game later, but in the end that doesn't really matter all that much. So this one should be perfectly fine. What I'm going to do is I'm going to drop in the character wherever she may fit. It's actually, oh wait, it's actually her young version, but she looks so old because because there's some weird subsurface scattering thingy going on at the moment. Yeah, so I'm gonna go for the regular version instead. It also has camera as well, and then we wanna possess her as player 0 and not you. And then we can run around in here. It's as simple as that. And you can see, she can watch herself, her older version, watch her looking around. Oh yeah, also that's a thing. That's actually cool. What, like she's doing it at different heights. Interestingly enough. Oh, nice! I can actually go outside here. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, we got all of this. Oh, but this is a bit of an issue. All right. Well. Huh. So these guys don't play footstep sounds. Whatever. I'm just playing around here. Doesn't really matter that much. Hey. This is pretty fun. I'm enjoying that. We can just walk around in here. Okay, so the idea is I'm going to maybe do this, yes, and then raise my camera, and then I'm going to take no, I'm going to take an actual picture of the camera in here, like that. Though that technically doesn't even make sense. We'll have to see. Let's see. There we go. Now what that did is it saved the picture. Create a screenshot. Sorry guys, I'm not as energetic anymore as I used to be. I'm getting quite tired now. You can probably tell. There we go. Well, I think that one might actually do. I think that one might actually do. If we crop it a bit. Yeah. So this is our camera picture. I mean, we always have to edit these a little bit, but and there's ways to improve them more. But for now, it's fine. So there we go. Let's put them in here. Pictures. I actually have a folder for this stuff. There we go. Look at that. What are those pictures? Like, we got this one. It's quite cute. Huh. It's funny. What was this one? This one's huge, apparently. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Oh yeah, and I remember these. The hike. These ones are very funny as well. Yeah, actually, I'm liking these a lot. Oh yeah, and then all these moody ones. Different colors. Yay. Okay, camera picture is done. Wait, what else is there? Create pictures. Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Cool. Baby Michael in a cradle. Oh, that's something you could do, Leon. Yeah. 7IO. My boy. How good are you with characters? We need a baby model. We need a model of a baby. So yeah, that's the thing. If you want to try and tackle that, that would be cool. I can send you the characters we currently have, and then you could try and adapt them into a sort of... adapt him into like a baby. Maybe. Maybe baby. Okay, so this is going to be a very generic picture of deer. Oh wait, hold on. They're all using the same yeah, they're all using the same skeleton, which means that we could play the animation of the other characters or the other animals on them. But well, that almost works. Right, let me see these retargeting options. Right, so this is the root. What if I tell them to recursively set it to skeleton, set this one to animation? It looks ugly as fuck. Is there anything else we could do with this? Maybe this one can be animation? It's getting worse, isn't it? No. No, that ain't happening. Yeah, I had no idea when I made this rig, so like, gotta redo that. Alright, 7IO, my dude, if you're still watching, then let me know if you'd be interested in making that. Yeah, if you'd be interested in making the baby Michael, that would be quite cool. Cool, so we got the deer. Oh dear, oh dear. So we're gonna actually turn this over here all, and we're going to keep her the room next door. And we're gonna turn her off. And nobody will ever know she's there, but she is, just in case we need her. Cool. In here, we can hopefully now find a nice little spot somewhere and place this dough. You haven't touched Blender in years. Yeah, that's fair. That's fair. So we need to see his face, because apparently this dude had a pretty face or something. And what deer tend to be doing is hiding away somewhere, right? So might want to like move him over here. Him or her. Not a deer expert. Kind of like that. It looks pretty cute. And let's see, where's the player? They can move her all the way over there again. So we always have to move her around, which is a bit of a hassle, but maybe we should start using the player start, set up the game mode properly. I don't know. What possibilities? I mean, if you want to try, I'll send it over to you and you can have a look. Always a good idea. So one thing that this camera is doing at the moment is stretching stuff out quite a bit. But I feel like this could be kind of cool. So I want to be a bit further away to make the impression that we just like snapped this really lucky picture of him. Even though he's not moving at all. Which is great. That's always how it should be. Nope. And I just missed a chance to get the screenshot. Let's go over. There we go. Deer. Nice. Deer picture. So that one's done. Boxes in the back of a car. That one is easy. Should be easy as well. Send me one of your character models. Oh, you want it right now? You want it right now? Fine, fine. I'll send it over to you. So don't worry. I will send it. Let me open the drive. Oh! My PC is so slow. Why are you so slow, Mr. PC? Cool. Alright, there's one more picture we need to make here for the game with the back of the car and the boxes, which should be fairly easy. I don't want to use this driver camera. Fine. No, I don't want to use you. I want to use this one. Oh, Jesus. There we are. Can you quickly send me a message on Discord so I can easily get your chat? Because I don't think we've been chatting in a while on there. Assuming you are on Discord, right? And we are connected on there. I'm pretty sure we are. So yeah, please send me a message. Oh my god, it's just slow at the moment. Stuff is just not happening. Alright, fair. Oh. Come on, come on. Okay. Weird. Dann komm mal in den Nifty Llama Chat, in den Nifty Llama Discord Server. Hier, bitteschön. Join da mal rein. Und dann schicke ich dir das Rig. Das Model mit Rig. All inclusive. Wir brauchen zum Glück nicht keine geriggte Version. Wir haben ja auch keine geriggte Version. Hä? There. Join the Discord, guys. Join the Discord if you wanna see, if you wanna chat and stuff after the streams and so on. It's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. Okay. Yep, bist drinne, cool. Hey. Hey, dude. Das Model sollte quasi so sein, dass das Baby in so einer Babywiege liegt, denke ich mal. Und wir brauchen es tatsächlich nur, dass ich so ein Foto machen kann. Genau, von dem her relativ simpel. Kannst du dir mal überlegen, du siehst ja sein Gesicht in dem Rig. Kannst du mal überlegen, wie der ungefähr aussehen würde als Baby. Ich meine, da hast du relativ viel Spielraum. Yo, here we are. The town level. Hey, there's the car. That's what I wanted. So, we're just gonna do a lot of fakery here, which is very nice. It's always nice. We have the car ready. Oh, and we're gonna pack it full of moving boxes. There we go. That's pretty good. See, doesn't really make sense that they're open. You can like rotate them maybe. Because that would maybe make more sense. But then we're losing a lot of the characteristics of, because then it's just a cube. I mean, the majority of them should be closed, I guess, but maybe a few of them can be open still. And you can do like that. And then have like another one over here as well. Maybe like a bit of a bigger one. Yeah. Rotate that bad boy. Like so. Yep. Now we need another small one. That's looking pretty good. And maybe, just maybe we can have like one on top or something. That's just like really shows how stacked up everything is in this car. Like they're moving, so of course it's gonna be stacked. And just for the sake of it, what happens if we just do this as well? I don't know if that makes any sense. I mean, it would make sense too if they don't have enough space to pack stuff on the roof, I guess. So let's keep going with this. I think this looks pretty good. I might be onto something. There we go. We'd need like cables and stuff connecting everything up. but I don't think I can really do that right now. It doesn't really matter anyways, because it's just for this part of it. So let's see, what else would they throw in there, like just like randomly, maybe like the painting. I feel like that's something that would just lie there. Just a bunch of stuff that you couldn't really fit in any of these boxes, really. Like whatever this thing is. Dumbbells, always good. Doesn't make sense to put them up there, to be fair, but also it looks fine. It looks good, so I'm just gonna keep it. Yeah. Just gives it a bit more flair. Maybe let's actually put like some stuff inside of here. Why is this not showing up? Is it? Oh, there it is. Okay. Yeah. That was weird. This should actually just like, no, this works in here. And then some more stuff. Books are always good. There we go. Putting some books in here helps. That's good. Yeah, now it actually starts to look like they're moving. Like they just have all this crap that they're trying to move out with. This one is a bit useless because it's not folded up. Pan, definitely pan. Frying pan needs to be in there. Let's make sure we can see it. This is a small frying pan. Jeez, come. Let me grab you. There we go, that looks like a more regular sized frying pan to me. Move this here. Nice. Okay, maybe like one more thing. Wait. I think, hold on. We have a specific line. Box, we almost forgot about the fridge. Oh yeah, so there needs to be a fridge in this. Well, that could go on top now, actually. So let's try this. Let's try putting a fridge on top here. It looks so ridiculous, but that's how you'd how I would probably carry a fridge if I had to move a fridge. So I think that would work. More boxes and stuff. Yeah. Sweet. That works. Good. Alright, now unfortunately what we can't do is we can't just create the character and just take a picture of the camera that I set up, so what we're gonna have to do instead is roughly line this up for like a nice angle, like so. And we'll also have to grab our sun sunlight. I'm gonna have to change the rotation a bit to make sure this looks kind of cool. Get some nice lighting on here. Let's go maybe like that. I think that's pretty cool. And then we're gonna take a picture like that. Feel like that really sells it. Maybe just another one like from over here. Hide Michael over there. There we go. Kind of wanted to show the house in the background or something, but that's doesn't really make sense. Maybe we could do something with this. I think even better would be to use a cinematic camera. So we could theoretically get some depth of field, yeah. Get out of here, Frank. Yeah, then we can at least why am I unable to change this? Oh, my numpad's just turned off, okay. Yeah. Now we can get a bit nicer pictures like that. Some depth of field in them. Oh, this one we might want to hide these one. Cool. Hey, we're moving out. Cool, now I have a variety of nice screenshots. We can pick our best, a favorite one. Moving. Alrighty, cool. I think there's like what? 2 more, 3 more to go, 4 more. There's a couple more to go. But this is gonna be it from me for today. I'm feeling way too tired to continue with this for now, but yeah, it was pretty fun, and I feel like we got a lot of stuff done. So thanks to everyone who joined. If you guys have any last questions or anything that you want to know, now's the time. Now's the time to ask, and yeah, just tell me anything. And otherwise, it would be really cool to see you guys in the next stream again very soon. And yeah, hopefully we're gonna be able to get a lot more stuff done like this time. Alright, I think that's it pretty much. Don't think there's anything else left. Let's see. Yep. See ya, bye bye. How do I stop this? Right, I'll just stop the stream. Cheers, guys.